Hey y'all, it's Courtney here, and in this really quick video I'm going to be showing you how I wash my client's hair in order to prevent her locks from unraveling. This is actually my client's first retwist, and she has a looser curl pattern that would easily unravel as soon as we start washing. So I'm showing you how I band it using small rubber bands in order to prevent unraveling. So as you can see, I'm just grabbing small sections, kind of spacing it out a little bit from the root, and then tying a rubber band and then putting it in a small little bun. This will allow me to be able to reach her scalp while preserving her ends. Now, as I mentioned before, this is not something that I do on every client, and I certainly don't do it often. However, I really wanted to show you all because I know that someone out there needs this information. So definitely stay tuned to watch the entire process of me banding and washing her hair, and also a little treat of me retwisting her hair as well. I'll probably only do it this time, to be honest. This time will let me know if I need to do it next time. Because usually I don't band it, but I'm like, I don't want it to at all. Just in case. So as you can see, I'm just placing the bands in these small sections, making sure to leave about 2 inches from her root before I place the rubber band. And when I start washing, you'll see exactly why this helps, because I'm able to slip my fingers beneath the rubber band to actually cleanse the entirety of her scalp. Most of my clients with type 4 hair never really need to get their hair banded, as they don't experience much unraveling. Now maybe 1 or 2 unravel, and I'll just go in one by one with those. But with her texture being so loose, and I'll insert some clips of what it was like when we first started, I want to make sure this does not unravel her whole head and we're starting all over. So as you can see here, I'm going ahead and starting to wash her hair. I've banded everything, making sure that I'm washing her hair with warm water, not extremely hot water. And we're going to go ahead and get these locks washed. Taking a shampoo, I'm going to put it in between those parts, and then you'll see me kind of go in each section, make sure I'm getting down into her scalp. I use gloves so that my nails do not scratch her hair and create small sores within her scalp, and you'll see that sometimes if you do not use gloves. So I make sure that I do that, and this allows me to just be able to scratch and rub it as much as I need to in order to get it as clean as possible. Super simple. You might have some of those locks come out of the buns. It's all good. It's okay. Rubber bands will make sure that they do not unravel completely. And I leave these rubber bands in until I'm about to start her hair, as you'll see. I'll go with my second round of shampoo for that double cleanse. Making sure I get all the way up in there. We do not, like, this is her first retwist. So that first month, her scalp was going through it because it's used to getting washed more often. So we want to make sure we get all the cleaning, all the dandruff, anything else that might be there. We want to make sure we get it all out. Next, I'm going to just rinse that out and follow up with some conditioner. Here's the conditioner. Just fun fact, I like to use conditioner with peppermint and tea tree oil. My clients really love it, as it kind of gives that tingly feeling and lets them know that it's working. And here we are, all done. I don't typically remove all of the rubber bands at one time, just kind of work in sections as I move up her head. I want to give you just a close-up of what her hair looks like outside of the rubber bands. You can see her texture and how it would be very easy for them to unravel. I did 2 strand twists, and then she also had to go in and kind of cut some of her straight ends off, so that would make it more susceptible to unraveling. Here's just a treat of a time lapse of me completely retwisting her whole head. Again, this is her first retwist, so super excited about that. And yeah, I'll give some clips of the final results as well. But that's about it, is how to wash your hair with starter locks. You can do this at home yourself or have your loctician do it if you don't feel comfortable. But here are the results. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them below. I'll be answering more questions, and if you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave those as well. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe. See you later.